Why life in America is becoming unaffordable. Millions of Americans are working harder than ever before, yet somehow falling further behind. Rent is exploding. Groceries feel expensive overnight. Young people are drowning in debt. And many families now live paycheck to paycheck. So, what happened to the American dreams? And why are so many people in the United States suddenly struggling just to survive? For decades, America was seen as the land of opportunity, a place where hard work could build a stable life. But in 2026, that dream feels very different for millions of people. Across the country, ordinary Americans are quietly facing a financial crisis that affect almost every part of daily life. And the scariest part, many people believe it's only getting worse. The price of basic living. The first shock for many Americans is simple. Everything costs more now. Groceries that once felt affordable suddenly become expensive. Eggs, milk, gasoline, electricity, rent, small price increase everywhere slowly turn into massive monthly pressure. For some families, even a normal grocery trip now feels stressful. Visual. Empty wallets, grocery store price tags, gas station sign, families checking bills. The rent crisis. Housing became one of the biggest problem in America. In many cities, rent prices exploded faster than salaries. Young adults who once dreamed of independence are now forced to stay with parents longer. Others share apartments with strangers just to survive financially. And in major cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Miami, some workers spend more than half their income on housing. Dramatic, dramatic things. For millions of Americans, home ownership now feels impossible. Why salary don't feel enough? Many Americans are still working full-time jobs. Some even work two jobs. But wages often fail to keep up with inflation. That creates a danger. Feeling people are exhausted but financial stuck. The harder they work, the less progress they seem to make. Exhausted workers, night shifts, traffic in big cities, people starting at bank apps. The debt trap. Debt has quietly become a normal part of American life. Credit card debt, student loans, car payments, medical bills. For many young Americans, adulthood now begins with financial pressure. Some people spend years paying off debt while trying to surviving rising cost at the same time. And one emergency expense can suddenly destroy someone's entire saving. For decades, the American middle class was considered the backbone of the country. But many experts now believe that middle class stability is shrinking. People who once lived comfortably now struggle with monthly expenses. Even professionals with decent jobs sometimes feel financially insecure. And online frustration keeps growing. Closed stores, family budgeting, stressful office scheme, and new headlines about inflation. Social media versus reality. But strategically, while financial stress rise, social media often show the opposite. Luxury lifestyle, expensive vacation, perfect apartment, designer clothing. This create pressure especially for younger generation. Many people compare themselves to unrealistic online lifestyle while secretly struggling financially. Emotional thing is behind many smiling social media posts there is hidden financial anxiety. Why people are leaving big city? As costs continue rising, many Americans are moving away from expensive cities. Some leave California, others leave New York. Remote work changed everything. People now search for cheaper states, lower taxes, and simple lifestyle. America itself is slowly changing because of this economic pressure. The fear of the future. For many Americans, the biggest fear is not today, it's the future. Will home come completely unaffordable? Will young people ever achieve financial stability? Will the next generation live worse than their parents? These questions are becoming more common across the country. And that fear is quietly changing how millions of people think about life in America. The new American reality. The United States is still one of the world's most powerful countries, but behind the image of success, many ordinary people are struggling silently. Some work constantly but never feel secure. Others are losing faith in the idea that hard work guarantees stability. And 2006, American cost of living crisis no longer just an economic story. For millions of people, it became personal. Maybe the American dream has not disappeared completely, but for many families, it's now feel further away than ever before. What do you think? Is life in America becoming too expensive or will things eventually improve? Comment below.